This is a divinely ordained sign for you. When you see this message, listen closely to your intuition as it has a powerful energy that will help you achieve your goals. The divine is purposely sending you hints in many ways because it is within your power to find and dig deeper into things of decoding messages that most people who are asleep never notice. You may be overwhelmed by your current situation, but this is living proof that all endings are truly simply greater beginnings. Trust in the beauty of nature around you. The universe is bringing you the people you need in your circle, even the ones you have forgotten about, and your goals to make them a reality. This also means to share your love with others. Everything that is currently sideways on you is about to turn its peak in an incredible way. Leave it to God. There will be no more time to be alone. Your better half is meeting you soon, so take a leap of faith. Trust the universe.